Hey guys, welcome back to 610 Bricks. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this Lego Avatar set, and it comes with 5 minifigures. It comes with 3 of the people minifigures and 2 of the Avatar. This set also has 887 pieces, and as we move to the back of the box art, you can see some of the really cool play functions, and then also this awesome 4-legged horse that I'm really excited about because I think that's a really cool addition to my minifigure collection. As we cut this thing open, you're going to find 6 poly bags inside and 3 manuals, and you have one manual for each different component. You have one for the bunker, one for the helicopter, and then one for the stand that the helicopter sits on. And one of the things that I thought was interesting as I built this set is the actual stand for the helicopter glows in the dark, which I think is pretty cool because, as you guys know, everything in Pandora glows at night. I'm really excited to show you guys the detail of this build and the 5 really cool minifigures. Not a lot of people like these minifigures because they were a little bit weird because the legs are super long, but they're avatars, so they have to be a little bit taller. And I think stretching the legs and not the body was actually the right move by Lego so they don't look really, really strange. Now, I will say that I don't think the Lego Avatar line is very popular because I picked this set up for 50% off retail already at a local retailer, and I see them sitting on the shelf at the local Lego store quite often. So let me know in the comments below if you think that these Lego Avatar sets are worth it. I'm really excited to show you this build. Let's start building.